Hello student, good morning. I hope you're fine and fit. And today we discuss about the lesson 4 nervous system. In this video we discuss about the exercise of lesson 4 nervous system. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First to see the homework. Okay student, as you know that on 17th July I have given the homework. Read and revise the explained topics of lesson 4 nervous system. I hope you have read and revised the explained topics of lesson 4 nervous system and in proper way. And I request you, all of you, please in comment box you have write name, class and section. Okay, see here. First exercise A. Choose the correct answer. Each question have 4 options and one option is correct, and choose those are correct answer. So now see one by one. The system that carries and brings masses to and from the brain is. Which system carry masses from brain to body parts as well as body part to the brain? Option A, muscular system. B, excretory system. C, nervous system. And D, skeletal system. Which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct. Nervous system. The system that carries and brings masses to and from the brain is nervous system. Now question number 2. The nerve that carries masses from a body part to the brain is called which type of nerves carry masses from body part to the brain? You know that nerves are 3 types: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. And which nerves carry masses from body part to the brain? Yes, right answer is sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. So here see, the nerves that carries masses from body part to the brain is called sensory nerves. Now question number 3. The largest part of the brain is the, you know that brain is divided in 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. And which one is the largest? See here, option A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, medulla. And D, skull. Which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Okay, the largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. Now question number 4. Activities like running, playing, moving hand, etc. are controlled by. Means which part of brain control the running, playing, moving hand and other activities? Option A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, medulla. D, all of these. Yes, option B is correct. Cerebellum. Cerebellum control the running, playing, moving hand, etc. Activities like running, playing, moving hand, etc. are controlled by the cerebellum. Next, fifth number, question number 5. Reflex actions are controlled by which part control the reflex action? Option A, medulla, B, spinal cord, C, backbone, D, hand. Which? Yes, spinal cord. Spinal cord control the reflex action. Reflex action are controlled by spinal cord. Now question number 6. The eye is protected by a transparent covering called. The eye is protected by a transparent covering is called option A, iris, B, retina, C, pupil, D, cornea. Yes, right answer is option D is correct, cornea. The eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea. Now question number 7. The largest external organ that is also a sense organ is, means which sense organ is the largest, that the largest organ of the body. This is that is a external organ. Option A, skin, B, ear, C, nose, D, eye. Yes, option A is correct, skin. The largest external organ that is also a sense organ is skin. Say again. A, choose the correct answer. First, the system that carries and brings message to and from the brain is option C is correct, nervous system. Second question, the nerve that carries a message from a body part to the brain is called, option B is correct, sensory nerves. Third, the largest part of the brain is the A, option is correct, cerebrum. Question number 4, activities like running, playing, moving hand, etc. are controlled by the option B is correct, cerebellum. Next, fifth number, reflex action are controlled by the option B is correct, spinal cord. And question number 6, the eye is protected by a transparent covering is called cornea. Option D is correct. Question number 7, the largest external organ that is also a sense organ is skin. Now next exercise B, take the odd one out and giving region also, but here take the odd one out. Here you know that 1, 2, 3, 4 options is given, and in 4 options one is odd, one is different from others, and here you select those are different. First number, nerves, veins, brain, spinal cord. Which is the difference? Yes, veins. Veins is different from others because nerves, brain, spinal cord are the part of related to the nervous system, but veins are related to the circulatory system. I repeat again, nerves, brain, spinal cord are related to the nervous system, but veins are related to the circulatory system. Now question number 2, sensory nerves, motor nerves, reflex action, mixed nerve. Which is a different? Guess everybody. Yes, reflex action is a different because sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. These are the kind of nerves, but reflex action is a activity and that is controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, I repeat again. Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves are the kinds of nerves, but reflex action is an activity and that is controlled by the spinal cord. And question number 3. Cerebrum, spinal cord, cerebellum, medulla, which is a different, and you know that spinal cord. Why? Because cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla, these are the part of brain. These are the parts of brain, but spinal cord is the part of nervous system. You know that nervous system, nerves, spinal cord and brain include. Okay, so this is a different from others. And last question number 4, face, eyes, nose, ears. Which one different? Face, because eyes, nose, ears are the sense organs, but face is not a sense organs. I repeat again. In first, nerves, veins is different from others because nerves, brain, spinal cord is a part of the nervous system, but veins is related to the circulatory system. You can say nerves, brain and spinal cord are related to the nervous system, but veins are related to the circulatory system. Second number, sensory nerves, motor nerves, reflex action, mixed nerves. Reflex action is different because sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves are the kind of nerves, but reflex action is a response, it is an activity that is controlled by the spinal cord. Third number, in third number, spinal cord is different because cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, and these are the part of the brain, but spinal cord is a different organs, belong to nervous system. And last, in face is different from the other because eyes, nose or ears are the sense organs, but face is not a sense organs. Now all student, you have taken one copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 4 nervous system, date 18th July. C. Write T for true and F for false against the following statements. First statement is means here you write true or false. If statement true, then write T. If statement false, then write F. Question number first. The nervous system is the communication system of our body. Question number 2. Our nervous system is a network of nerves only. Question number 3. Medulla is the largest part of the brain. Question number 4. Cerebellum lies in the back part of the cerebrum. And last, nerves connect the spinal cord with the brain. You try to solve this homework in copy, but you know that in next video I will solve. And very important information for you, all exercise you have revised in proper way. Those are you got as a homework, you also revise, and other exercise also you have revised in proper way. And I request you, please, all of you, please, in comment box you have write name, class and section, and also subscribe channel. Thank you.